Unveiling the Magic. Pennies from Heaven. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often puzzles learners: pennies from heaven. This idiom is rich in meaning and imagery, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its definition, but also its usage and origins. So, let's explore how unexpected good fortune can sometimes feel like it's raining down from the skies. Pennies from heaven refers to any unexpected benefit or financial gain, especially one that comes at a time of need. Picture this: you're walking down the street, thinking about how you're going to afford your next meal, and suddenly, you find a $10 bill on the ground. That's a perfect example of pennies from heaven. It's like a small gift from the universe, or a sign that things are going to be okay. The phrase, pennies from heaven, is believed to have become popular through the 1936 song of the same name, sung by Bing Crosby. The song's lyrics play with the idea that when it rains, it's not just water from the clouds but also pennies from heaven that one should be happy about. This metaphor for unexpected luck or fortune resonated with many, especially during tough economic times. Understanding how to use the phrase in context can help you incorporate it into your everyday English. Here are a few examples. I was short on rent this month, but then I received a refund check out of the blue. It was truly pennies from heaven. Finding that rare book at the garage sale for just $1 was like pennies from heaven for a collector like me. Beyond its literal usage, pennies from heaven also carries a deeper cultural significance. It embodies a sense of optimism and hope, reminding us that even in difficult times, good things can happen unexpectedly. It encourages people to look for the silver lining, no matter how small, in every cloud. Understanding phrases like pennies from heaven enriches your English learning journey, offering insights into the culture and emotional nuances of the language. We hope this exploration has been like pennies from heaven for you, offering unexpected value and joy. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the beautiful world of English language learning.